famous song, and my favorite music composer, O.P. Nair, a great composer and a legendary composer. Thank you so much for being a sport, very great sport. Thank you everyone, live, beautiful and all. There are so many people today who have joined, and now there's a special number that I have kept for you, and my favorite that I have particularly, especially composed for this forest festival. Come one, come all, sing for the snow. This is the track for the hey, 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 hey. Come one, come all, sing for the snow. Come one, come all, sing for the snow. Sing for the snow. God will hear your call. God will hear your call. Sing for the snow. Sing for the snow. Sing for the snow. Come one, come all, sing for the snow. Come one, come all, sing for the snow. Sing for the snow. तेरी छत पर मेरी छत पर बर्फ गिरेगी, हाँ सफेद बर्फ गिरेगी, हाँ सफेद बर्फ गिरेगी. Come one, come all, sing for the snow. Come one, come all, sing for the snow. Save the forest, only then food can be preserved. Sing one, sing all, come for the snow. Come one, come all, sing for the snow. Sing for the snow, sing for the snow. पेड़ों पर, पहाड़ों पर, आंगन में, दीवारों पर. Sing for the snow, sing for the snow. बर्फ गिरेगी, हाँ सफेद होगा कश्मीर. Come one, come all, sing for the snow. Sing for the snow, sing for the snow. Sing for the snow. On the trees, on the mountains, you will have full snowfall. Forest of Kashmir will be like a white sheet. Sing for the snow, sing for the snow. Come one, come all, sing for the snow. Sing for the snow. तेरी छत पर मेरी छत पर बर्फ गिरेगी, हाँ सफेद बर्फ गिरेगी, हाँ सफेद बर्फ गिरेगी. Thank you so much for joining me here. I am Nadbindu Dilip Dangu. Thank you for this superb session that I did with you, and thank you so much Trisha and Thara and all other people, Gusi, Trisha and Thara's, and Sergeant to music, and another, so many people are here, Pure Blend and whosoever, everybody. Thank you so much for attending my session. Thank you Trisha for support, and thank you.